In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Coda doc. Whether you're sharing your project with a team or making it available to the public, Coda offers a seamless way to publish and share your work. Let's get started with our tutorial. First, we need to head over to Coda, your all-in-one collaborative workspace. If you're not already familiar, Coda is a platform designed to help teams work together more efficiently by combining documents, spreadsheets, and workflow tools all in one place. Open your favorite web browser and navigate to coda.io. Once you're there, you'll see an inviting Get Started button. Go ahead and click on it. This will guide you through a simple sign-up process, particularly if you're new to Coda. Now, if you're looking to streamline your sign-in, simply use your Google account. Clicking on Google will prompt a sign-in window where you can easily sign in using your existing Google credentials. You'll then be asked to select your Google account. Make sure you click on the account you regularly use for your work projects, so all your Coda activity is tied to it. This allows Coda to access your user information and align your work for better continuity. Once you're signed in, you'll need to open the Coda doc you want to publish. This is as simple as navigating to your workspace and selecting the particular document from your list. If it helps, think of your workspace like an organizer for all your Coda docs, making it easy to pick and choose which document to work on next. With your document open, direct your attention to the top right corner and click on the Share button. This will pull up a shareable link for your document and various privacy settings. But for our purpose now, what you want to do is to look for the option that says Publish or Embed. This option is typically located alongside sharing settings, providing an easy way to make your document public. Proceed by clicking on Publish. You may be prompted to create a profile if you haven't already. This profile helps in defining who you are on Coda, giving your published document an identity under your or your organization's name. Following this, you'll be able to adjust settings for your document publication. You can tweak who gets to see or edit the document. Once you've got everything set to your preference, be sure to click on Open Preview. This lets you see exactly how your published doc will look to others, providing an opportunity to make any final adjustments before it goes live. If everything looks good, go ahead and click the Publish Doc button. And there you go. Your Coda document is now live and ready to be shared with your colleagues, clients, or the wider public. Make sure to share your new link with anyone who should have access to your information. This method ensures that your work is easily accessible and professionally presented, making collaboration and sharing seamless. That's it for today's tutorial, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Feel free to explore more features on Coda to elevate your productivity further.